Hello everyone. Welcome to this edition of Inside CG. Joining me today is Mr. Todd Hobbs. Mr. Hobbs is the Director of Preventative Maintenance here for Center Grove. And Todd, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Well, again, my name is Todd Hobbs. I've been here at Center Grove now since July 3rd of last year. I came from Warren Township Schools. I decided to come down to Center Grove because of more of the higher standards and more of a challenge, you know, and just overall school district, and just basically to expand my knowledge and know-how of preventive maintenance from where I was at Warren. Born and raised in Indiana, 3 children. So 2 in college and a little guy. So, but yeah, so just happy to be here and happy to be working.
Well, great. Well, thanks, Todd. Thanks. You know, we're here inside this room a lot of people don't know about. This is the plan room and all these plans for all of our buildings. And I've noticed we got them all over the place around here. There's hundreds of them, huh? Yeah. Oh, wow. So, you know, here in Center Grove, our vision is that all students receive an exceptional educational experience. Tell me, in your role as the Director of Preventive Maintenance, what does that mean to you?
Sure. Preventive maintenance is basically it's taking a piece of equipment and it's making it work to its best capacity. Within the maintenance, we all have a job here to do, and that we all do strive for doing excellence work. You know, everything from the HVAC to the plumber to the grounds crew. We all have a job to do, and to make all the equipment and everything work to its best capacity as best as we can. You know, so we strive for excellence to make sure that happens on an everyday operations.
That's great. That's wonderful. And we have a lot of equipment and a lot of, you know, when you talk about plumbing, we've got a lot of plumbing in this district. And of course, we may not think about it very much, but when it doesn't work, we think about it a lot. So really, thank you so much for your service to CG and the students and staff here. And we really appreciate it. Thank you, Todd. And thank you for joining us on this edition of Inside CG.